Welcome to this lesson. We are looking at work example of circle theorem. So let's start. So we are asked to find angle x, y, and z. So let's begin. So here is y rather. So x, y, z. So we can see that AB is an arc. It forms an angle at the center, and the same arc forms angle at y. So you know that the angle at y is the angle at the circumference. So when the same arc forms the angle at the circumference, it is twice the angle formed at the center here. So therefore, our y will be 2y, will give us 100. So 2y over 2 is equal to 100 over 2. So y is equal to 50 degrees. Good. So if y is 50 degrees, the same arc that form y, it is the same arc AB which form angle at z. So therefore z will still be 50 degrees. So left with what? X. So the angle at this side, that side, this and that form a circular quadrilateral. It's a four-sided figure: 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles sum up to 180. The opposite angles sum up to 180. So x plus y will give us 180. So x plus y will give us 180. Good. So x plus y is what? 50. Will give us 180 here. Therefore, x is equal to 150 minus 180 minus 50, which will give us 30 degrees. Good. Okay, so example 2. We have this diagram, and we can see that SP is a tangent, TP is a tangent, the angle at P is 30 degrees, and we are to find the angle marked X and Y. So we first have to know that since SP and PT are tangent from P, the size, they will be equal size. So this is equal to this. So it makes triangle SPT isosceles triangle. So the base angles will be the same. So this side will be y. So let's add them. So angles in a triangle will add up to 180. Angles in a triangle add up to 180. So y plus 30 give us 180. So therefore, y plus y plus 30 will give us 180. So this side plus this side plus that side will be 180. So you have 2y plus 30 is equal to 180. So 2y is equal to 180 minus 30. So 2y is equal to 150. 150, good. So 2y over 2 is equal to 150 over 2. So y is equal to, therefore y is equal to, we have our y is equal to 75 degrees. So y is equal to 75 degrees. So we look for x. So if you look at this y, is the angle formed by the tangent and the circumference. Therefore, it is equal to the alternate angle inside the circle. So alternate angle is x. Therefore, x is equal to y and is equal to 75 degrees. Because this one forming with the tangent and the circumference is equal to the alternate angle, which is alternate angle is x, and they are equal. So x and y are equal. They are 75 degrees. Let's still continue. Okay, let's look at the next question. We have the question, which JM is a tangent, then IL is also a tangent. So we can say that, but we can also see that JIKL is a circular quadrilateral. First, we see that the angle at L is on a straight line. So this side is a straight line to this, so you can find this side. So the sum of this and that will give us 180. So 180 minus 55, 180 minus 55 will give us 125. So this side will be 125. Good. And if you use the properties of a circular quadrilateral, the two opposite angles are equal. So let's name here to be x. So therefore, x plus 125 will give us 180. So it means that x is equal to 180 minus 125. Good. 125. So we can say that x is equal to 55 degrees. So we have here 55 degrees. So let's take triangle MIG. So MIG. So it's a triangle. The sum of the angles will give us 180. So making 3y plus 55 plus 2y will give us 180. So therefore, 3y plus 2y will give us 5y plus 55 is equal to 180 degrees. So we now sum it up and solve it. After summing it, we will group like terms. So grouping like terms means that we will move the 55 to the other side. So we have 55y is equal to 180 minus 55. So 5y is equal to 125. So both sides by 5. Then our y will now be 25 degrees. Good. So we have found our y. We got 25 degrees. Let's still move on with more examples. Okay, let's do this question too. You can see that the Q, let's call here M, it's a tangent, and the angle here is 25. This is the center. So from C to this, let's name here E, is the diameter. Therefore, any line draw from the center to circumference will be radius. So if this is radius, then this side will be equal to that. Then we can strictly see that this is 25 degrees. Again, we can conclude that this side is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So because it's 90, we can conclude here to be 115 degrees. So let's take triangle CDQ. The question said we should find M. We should find M. So if here is 90, then if you take from here to here, it will be 25 plus 90, which will be 115. So if you take triangle CDQ, then it will be 25 plus 115 plus M will give us 180. So 115 plus 25 will give us 140 plus M is equal to 180. So M is equal to 180 minus 140. So M is equal to 40 degrees. 40 degrees. Good. Okay, let's deal with this last question for this lesson. And we are asked to find angle BOA. So this angle, you have to find this angle. So what you need to do is that because CB is a diameter, center O, we can conclude that CO is equal to BO or OB, and is the radius because any line drawn from the center to the circumference is radius and they are equal. So this is equal to this. And with that case, we can see that angle ABO will give us 41 degrees. Good. So let's find this angle at A. So the angle at A will be 41 plus 41 plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degrees. So 82 plus angle BAC is equal to 180 degrees. So angle BAC is equal to 180 minus 82. So angle BAC will give us, so 180 minus 82 will give us 98 degrees. 98 degrees. Good. So here we will get here 98 degrees. So having that side to be 98, we can, because this is 41, this is 41, we can say that we divide the 98 into 2, which is 98 divided by 2 will give us 49. So here will be 49 degrees. This side will give us 49 degrees. So now we start with the eye. Angle BOA, this is BOA, will be 49 plus angle BOA plus 41 will give us 180. So 49 plus 41, this will be give us 90 degrees. 90 degrees. So 90 plus angle BOA is equal to 180. So therefore angle BOA will give us 90 degrees. Will give us 90 degrees. Good. So let's find the other side. Okay, then we take the second part of the question. So it said we should find angle BAO. So BAO will give us 49 degrees. 49 degrees. Good. Give us 49 degrees. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel to watch more of the videos. Thank you.